This is going to be a video tutorial on how to change the primary mouse button. I will be using Ubuntu 24.04 for this. Let me jump over to Ubuntu now. I am on Ubuntu now. To change your primary mouse button from left to right, by default it's probably set to the left side, but to change that it's very easy to do. First thing you want to do is open Settings. I'm going to go down to my lower left hand corner, down to the Show Apps button. I'm going to click on Show Apps. Then I'm going to find Settings within my icons here. If you don't see your settings icon, you can go up to the top here. You could type it up here, but mine happens to be right here. I'm going to click on Settings. Now in the little dialog box that opens up, the pane off to the left hand side, you want to scroll down to where you see it says Mouse and Touchpad. Mouse and Touchpad. Click on that. Then right up top under General, Primary Button, by default left is enabled, but to change that to right you would just click on right. And that's all you need to do. That is how to change your primary mouse button in Ubuntu. Thanks for watching.